Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 3 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. And then you have to select math from subject tab to all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter place values. The lessons we're going to cover today are convert to from a number, convert between place values, convert from expanded form, convert between standard and expanded form. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. Here I'm on grade 3 math. Chapter we are on right now is place values. Let's just start with the lesson that is convert to from a number. Type the missing numbers 788. You need to write them down in the hundreds, tens, and ones form, right? That is 788. Write it down in the digit form. So here is the place value chart. 8 tens and 8 ones. So now you can complete this. 708 tens and 8 ones. Got it? Let's just start with the test questions. Type the missing number. Which number is it? 100. So which is the correct option? 100. You have 1 at the hundreds place. The rest of the digits are 0. So the correct option is option number 1. Type the missing number 307. So which is the correct option? That is 300s, 0 ones and 7 tens. Very good. Option number 1 is the correct option. Type the missing number 913. So which is the correct option? Option number 2 is the correct option. 900s, 110s, and 3 ones. Option number 2 is the correct option. Very good. Type the missing number. 300s plus 4 tens and 3 ones. So, which is the correct option? That is 300s, 4 tens, and 3 ones. So together they make which digit? That is 3, 4, and 3. Option number 1 is the correct option. The digit they make is 343. Type the missing number 910, which is the correct option. That is 900s, 110s, and 0 ones. Option number 3 is the correct option. Type the missing number 601. So, which is the correct option? 601. Option number 1 is the correct option. 600, 0 tens, and 1 ones. 1 is the correct option. Type the missing number 800 plus 9 tens and 2 ones. So, which is the correct option? 800, 9 tens, and 2 ones. So, that is option number 2 is the correct option. 500 plus 1 tens plus 3 ones. So, which is the correct option? 500s, 1 tens, and 3 ones make option number 2 is the correct option. That makes 512. 13. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is convert 2 from a number. Type the missing number 307. So you have 300s, 0 ones, and 0 10s and 7 ones. Let's just start with the test questions. Type the missing. That is the same we just did, right? Yes, that is exactly the same. I'm again on the same lesson. Hold on. That is convert between place values. 8 10s. How many ones we have in 8 10s? 8 10s means 80, right? So how many ones? You have 80 ones there, right? The correct option is 80 ones. Let's just start with the test questions. 500 ones. So 500. How many hundreds are there in 500 ones? That is 500s. The correct option is you just have to see the place value. So you have 500s. The correct option is option number 1. 8 10s equal how many ones? 8 10s means 80 it is, right? So you have how many ones? You have 8 ones, 80 ones. The correct option is 80. Two hundreds equal how many tens? Two hundreds. So in 100 you have 10 tens. So then 200 has 20 tens. The correct option is 20. Option number 1 is the correct option. 400 ones equal how many hundreds? That is 4 hundreds. The correct option is 4. Very good. 700 tens means how many thousands? That is 7,000. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, the next one is 6,000. So how many ones in 6,000s? That is 6,000 ones. Option number 1 is the correct option. Very good. 1,000 is equal how many hundreds? 1,000 equal 10 hundreds. The correct option is 10. Very good. 3 tens equal how many ones? 3 tens equal 30 ones. The correct option is 30. 20 tens equal how many hundreds? 20 tens equal 20 hundreds. 2010 equal 200, sorry, not 20. 7,000 is equal how many tens? That is 70 tens. Oh, 700 tens, sorry. Okay, that is 700 tens. We are done with the lesson. Let's just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is convert between convert from expanded form. What is 10 plus 6? 10 plus 6 makes 16. Let's just start with the test questions. What is 7,000 plus 800 plus 30 plus 9? So basically, these number tells you their place values. 9 is at the ones position, 3 is at the tens position, 8 is at the hundreds, and 7 is at the thousand. So together they make the digit 7, 8, 3, and 9. You can add, they make exactly the same digit, right? That is 7,839. Option number 1 is the correct option. What is 900 plus 20 plus 2? Which is the correct option? Option number 2 is the correct. 1 is the correct option. You can see options here. That is 922, 922. What is 30 plus 7? 30 plus 7 is 37. Option number 2 is the correct option. What is 10 plus 6? That equals 16. Option number 2 is the correct option. What is 7,000 plus 800 plus 40 plus 4? That is 7,844. Option number 1 is the correct option. 4,000 plus 500 plus 50 plus 3, which is the correct option. That is 4,553. Option number 1 is the correct option. What is 30 plus 6? That is 36. Option number 1 is the correct option. What is 4,000 plus 400 plus 50 plus 7? That is 4,457. Option number 2 is the correct option. What is 500 plus 70 plus 1? That is 571. Option number 1 is the correct option. What is 20 plus 9? That is 29. Option number 3 is the correct option. What is 20 200 plus 60 plus 4? Which is the correct option? That is 264. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself. Let it away. Let's just move on to next lesson. Convert between standard and expanded form. That is the expanded form when they are written like this: 6000 plus 400 plus 70 plus 9. That is the expanded form. And when you write this number as 6479, that is the standard form. Let's just start with the test questions. What is 1000 plus 300 plus 5 in standard form? Option number 1 is the correct option. That is 1305. That is the standard form. What is 1000 plus 900 plus 20 plus 5? So the correct option is, that is 1925. That is the expanded form. When you write them with their place values and addition sign, that is the expanded form, and that is the standard form. What is 5,000 plus 200 plus 60 plus 9, which is the correct option? That is 5,269. Option number 1 is the correct option. What is 5,000 plus 400 plus 90 plus 4? Option number 1 is the correct option. That is 2,194. Option number 1 is the correct option. What is 9,000 plus 500 plus 50 plus 1 in standard form? That is 9,551. Option number 1 is the correct option. What is 8,000 plus 200 plus 50 plus 8? So, which is the correct option? That is option number 3 is the correct option. 8,258 it is. What is 1,000 plus 600 plus 70 plus 1 in standard form? That is 1,671. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, we are done with the lesson. So we were working on grade 3 math. Chapter we're working on is place values. The lessons we have covered today are convert 2 from a number, convert between place values, convert from expanded form, convert between standard and expanded form. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can simply click on the live chat button. Tutors are available there to help you, or either you can write down the questions in the chat box. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. So you can please write down the questions in the chat box for which you need help. No questions. Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.